So whenever I release an eBay dropshipping video, I always get comments like, is eBay dropshipping even allowed? So what I'm gonna quickly do is jump into my laptop and read exactly what eBay has to say about dropshipping on their platform. Okay, so I found this article right here. We can see straight away eBay says, dropshipping where you fulfill orders directly from a wholesaler supplier is allowed on eBay. So essentially eBay is saying that you can use a wholesale supplier to dropship directly to your customers. But if we scroll down here, it says, however, listing an item on eBay and then purchasing the item from another retailer or marketplace that ships directly to your customer is not allowed on eBay. So basically right there, eBay is saying that you can't use an online retailer like Amazon, Walmart, Argos to buy something from and then send it directly to your customer if you've sold the product on eBay, because obviously eBay doesn't want you using their competitors to send stuff to their customers. They want you to use a company that isn't directly competing with them. So this is why using websites like Alibaba.com and CJ Dropshipping are perfect when it comes to doing eBay dropshipping, because they're not directly competing with eBay and they're not online retailers. So you're not going to get your account banned if you use any one of these websites. So now that you guys know that eBay dropshipping is allowed as long as you use websites like Alibaba and CJ Dropshipping, I'm going to jump in now and show you how you can use these websites. Let's go. All right, so I'm going to start off with CJ Dropshipping. So at this point, you would either already know what products you're going to be dropshipping after doing your product research. But if you're not aware of what product you want to sell and you just want to have a look at CJ Dropshipping's website to see what products are available, what you can do is come down to this section here and look at all of their different categories. So there's a category here called super deals, and we've also got trending products. So these are their most popular products that are currently being dropshipped by various different dropshippers all around the world. So if you do want to have a look at these products, what you're going to do is just click on view more right there. So from this point, you're obviously going to have to do product research to make sure that the product is selling well before you actually list it on your store. But I'm not going to go through all of that in today's video. I'm just going to simply show you how you can use CJ Dropshipping as your dropshipping supplier. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is find the product that you're happy to sell. So for example, if I click on this one right here, so this product is a hanging air freshener that you might put in your car, but that's not really important. I'm just going to show you the key things that you need to look out for. So obviously you're going to want to look at the price. Now this price is updated regularly, as we can see that the price was last updated on the 3rd of November. The next thing that you're going to look at is where the product is being shipped from. Now CJ Dropshipping, if you're not aware, is a dropshipping agent, which means that they actually source the products themselves and hold the products in their own warehouse. So when it comes to some of the products that they sell, some of them will be based in the China warehouse, because if you're not aware, CJ Dropshipping is a Chinese company. So majority of the products on their website is going to be held in the China warehouse. However, they have warehouses in America, in Germany. They also have vendors in the United Kingdom as well. So have a look at this section right here where it says shipping from. Now the next thing that you guys need to also have a look at is where the product is being shipped to. So this product is being shipped to all of these different places. Some products are only being shipped to the United States or the United Kingdom or various different places in the world. So have a look at this section here to make sure that it's being shipped to the country that you want it to be shipped to. The next thing that you guys need to look at is the shipping method. So the key thing that you're going to want to look at this point is how many days it's going to take for the customer to receive it and how much it's going to cost you. But the days is most important. As we can see, some delivery methods take 20 to 30 days. And I know that you guys don't want your customers waiting 20 or 30 days. So always look for the quickest delivery method possible. So this one is 8 to 15 days, which is not too bad. The next key thing that you guys need to look at is the inventory. And then finally, we need to look at the processing time. So we can see that it's going to take 1 to 3 days for CJ to process the order and basically ship it out to the customer. The majority of the products that I've personally seen on CJ Dropshipping take 1 to 3 days to be processed by them. I haven't really seen longer, so that's the average processing time that CJ is going to take for them to process the order. So now that I've gone through the key things that you guys need to know on the product page, when it comes to actually using CJ Dropshipping to dropship on eBay, what you need to do is first and foremost connect your CJ account to your eBay account. So the way that you're going to do that is come up here and come to authorization and then click on eBay. And then from this point, what you're going to do is click on add store, and then you're going to type in your store name. So you need to go to your eBay account, copy and paste your store name, click on authorize, and then from there, you're going to be able to connect your eBay account to your CJ Dropshipping account. What you need to do is now link the product that you want to dropship on your eBay store by going to the product page on CJ Dropshipping, clicking on list. And then from there, you're going to select all of your options, e.g. where's it going to ship from, your eBay store. You're going to select the price that you want it to be sold on your eBay store, select where it's going to be shipped to and the shipping method, and then click on list now. So if you're going to use this method of dropshipping on CJ, you're never going to have to see the product. You're never going to have to handle the product. Whenever you make a sale on eBay, CJ is going to dropship it directly to your customer. All you need to do is come on here, place the order, pay for the order. I'm not going to go through all of that in today's video. I just want to go through all of the different ways that you can use CJ and Alibaba.com. Chrome, so I'm just trying to get through everything. But I'm going to be making a more detailed video walking you through step by step how you can use it in detail. So make sure that you subscribe down below. So the second way that you can use CJ is very similar to the Amazon FBA method, where you buy products in bulk from China and then you ship it directly to the Amazon warehouse. And then whenever you make a sale on your Amazon store, Amazon is going to fulfill the orders directly to your customer. So CJ Dropshipping have come up with something similar to that, where you can buy products in bulk and then ship it directly to a CJ Dropshipping warehouse. So the way that you do that is that you find the product that you want to send directly to a CJ warehouse, and then you scroll down on the product page and then click on buy now, and then you select a minimum of 10 pieces. So if you want to select more, you could do it at this point. But one tip I want to give you guys is that if you do want to get this price reduced, as you can see, it's going to cost $84 for me to buy 10 units of this product. What you can do is that you can contact your agent from your dashboard and they may be able to get the price reduced for you. So do that before you actually place your order. And then from this point, you're going to see that you're going to have two different options: bulk purchase or pre-order inventory. If you want to send the goods directly to a CJ warehouse, you're going to click on pre-order inventory. The bulk purchase option is for you to buy the products in bulk, and then they will send it directly to your house or your office space, and then you're going to ship the goods directly to your customers. But if you want to send it to any one of the CJ warehouses, what you're going to do is click on pre-order inventory and then select the warehouse that you want it to go to. So you're going to see that they're going to have various different warehouses in China, in New Jersey, in Germany, in California. So select whatever warehouse you want, whatever warehouse is closest to your customers, and then select the shipping method. And then from there, come down here and then click on submit. And then from there, you're going to be able to make payment for the goods, and it's going to go directly to a CJ warehouse. And if you want to sign up to CJ Dropshipping, make sure that you use the link down below, because that's going to take you directly to the sign up page. And if you use that link, you're going to be eligible for any discounts or offers that they're doing because you use that link. So make sure you sign up now. So when it comes to using Alibaba.com, it's going to be slightly different, because the main difference between Alibaba.com and CJ is that Alibaba is a website that has various different vendors and sellers on it, whereas CJ is a dropshipping agent. So they get the goods from the manufacturers and they make sure that the product is exactly what they want it to be. However, if you're going to find a supplier on Alibaba.com, you're going to now have to do your research to make sure that the product is good quality, because there's various different suppliers and manufacturers to choose from. So if you are looking for a product to sell, or if you're looking for a dropshipping supplier, what you're going to do is come down to this section right here and then click on dropshipping. And don't forget that you're going to need to do product research. I'm just showing you the basics of how to use these websites. But if you don't know what product you want to sell, you can come to this section here. As you can see, they've got hot selling products with competitive prices, products under $10, so many different products to choose from. But when it actually comes to using a dropshipping supplier on Alibaba.com, if we click on this product as an example, the key things that you're going to want to look out for when it comes to choosing a dropshipping supplier is the years that they've been there. We can see that this supplier has been there for 5 years. They're also a verified supplier, which means that they've been inspected by a third-party inspection company. And then ultimately, you're going to want to look at the price as well. So we can see with this particular supplier, for 10 pieces, it's going to cost $36.90, but the processing time is going to take 7 days. With CJ Dropshipping, remember, it was 1 to 3 days processing time, whereas this supplier, 7 days. The shipping is going to be $40, and it gives you the total price right there. So you can add this to your input list. So when it comes to actually listing the product, you're going to have to list it manually. And when it comes to actually placing an order, you're going to have to come onto Alibaba.com and place the order, input all of the customer's details, whereas CJ Dropshipping is going to already have all of the shipping details and everything like that. All you're going to need to do is place the order. So those are the main differences between Alibaba.com and CJ Dropshipping. That's how you can use Alibaba.com to dropship. Now there's other ways that you can use it as well. I didn't want the video to be too long, so I just wanted to give you the basics of both. I've got so many more videos coming out when it comes to using Alibaba.com and CJ Dropshipping, everything that you need to know in detail. So make sure that you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss all the future videos that I'm going to be releasing. And if you want to watch a recent video that I've released when it comes to everything that you need to know about using CJ Dropshipping when it comes to starting your eBay business, then watch the video that I'm going to link above. There's going to be so much value in that video. If you also want to watch a 16-minute webinar where I break down my journey of going from $0 to $3,000 per day in sales on eBay, then click the link in my pinned comment down below or in the first link in the description. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of the video. I'd love to hear from you and I'm trying my best to respond to every single comment. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.